what's up? Welcome back to another video. In this week's video, I have a Halloween makeup costume look for you guys, and I asked you guys on Instagram if I should do a giraffe or a bear, and the giraffe won by like 5 votes, so I'm gonna be doing a giraffe today. And I already did like my everyday makeup, just my foundation and my blush and all that. And I just put like brown eyeshadow on. So yeah, and let's get into the video. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick my hair up so it's out of my way. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I got these little sponges from the dollar store, and I am just going to cut them up into little like shapes for my giraffe spots. So we got one piece, then we got a little miniature short piece. And then we have this triangle type looking thing. And then this piece. Okay, so we're gonna use those ones away. So I bought these lipsticks. I bought them at the dollar store. You can buy them at your local dollar store. And it came in a pack of 4, and they're like nude colors. And there's like 2 orangey ones and 2 nude ones. So I'm gonna be using these for my spots. And I think I'm gonna be using these 2 right here. They don't really have names. They just say like rouge, which I know is red, but they don't really look reddish. So this one is like a more like nudie color, like that. And then we have like a little more orangey color. So those are my spots. So let's start with the the nudie color, and I'm just gonna color. Hopefully this works because I have not tried this. So I'm just gonna color the sponge with the lipstick, and we're gonna pat it down. I don't think it's working. Is that working? It worked a little bit, yeah. Okay. I see. So maybe if we just color it a little bit darker. There we go. Progress, we got progress. Using the same color, I'm just gonna. They don't really have to be in any particular like order. You know, as long as you just got your main stripes down the side of your face, you should be good. And I'm going to take the slightly smaller piece, and I'm going to color that in with the orangey. So that is good. I think we're sticking to the big sponge. Spots. I have a dirty face, but it will come together with the costume. And then we're gonna take this like pinky orangey color and not gonna have whiskers. I don't think a giraffe has whiskers anyway. So I'm just gonna fix it. So this is the Giraffe Makeup. It's not very good. So I'm gonna go put my giraffe onesie on, and I'll back in a little bit. So this is the finished look. I just put my hair in the side, and of course my giraffe onesie is Lord DIY. Who else would it be? But I have this giraffe onesie. But you guys could buy literally like a brown top or orange top and orange leggings and put like brown spots on that. That would be a good giraffe look. So that is the giraffe look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. What'd you think? Do you want to be a giraffe for Halloween? What do you guys want to see next? Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the Lizzanator family. We will be happy to have you. And always remember that a little magic goes a long way. And I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.